You know those endless hours we spend vacuuming, mopping, moving furniture, and still feeling like the floors are never really clean? Well, buckle up, because today I'm sharing my experience with the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A robot vacuum and mop. And trust me, this little white powerhouse is changing the cleaning game forever. And yes, you'll find the full article in the description and pinned comment. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll see why this might be the smartest investment you make this year. First of all, suction. We're not talking gentle airflow. We're talking 8500 PA of concentrated power, strong enough to lift hidden dirt, pet hair, and in my case, it literally dragged a hiking boot across the room when it caught a shoelace. If your vacuum can move shoes, you know it's got muscle. But here's the twist. It's also a smart mop. Hot water mop washing, self-cleaning mop heads, warm air drying, so the mop takes care of itself. No more gross pads. And with Velcro attachments, swapping mop heads is effortless. One of my biggest pain points with past vacuums was tangling. The Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm side brush are designed for zero tangling, so no scissors and no mess. The FlexiArm even reaches corners and edges, a weak spot for most robots. Intuitive? Absolutely. The Qrevo Edge S5A automatically detects hardwood, tile, or rug and adapts instantly. On rugs, turbo suction kicks in. My wood floors look shinier than ever, and transitions between surfaces are seamless. Let's talk app. The Roborock app gives full control. Cleaning schedules, room selection, no-go zones, and real-time mapping. It feels like GPS for your floors. Want just the kitchen? Done. Deep clean before guests? One tap. And yes, smooth Wi-Fi setup and voice assistant integration. Honestly, it feels like playing a video game, except instead of points, you get spotless floors. Noise? Compared to traditional vacuums, it's quiet. My dog, who hates vacuums, actually ignores it. That's a win. Battery life? Around 2,400 square feet of hardwood on one charge? No problem. And when it's done, it self-empties, self-cleans, and self-dries. Basically, it's as close as you can get to fully autonomous floor care. Imperfections? Twice it got confused when debris hit the lens, but honestly, that's minor compared to the time it saves. And yes, pick up cords. No robot likes spaghetti wires. So, is it worth it? If you're tired of noisy vacuums, tangled brushes, streaky mops, and wasted weekends, the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A is a game changer. It gives you back your time, makes your home fresher, and does it with tech that actually works. I've had mine since December, and it still runs like day one. Whether you've got pets, a busy household, or just want cleaner floors with less effort, this is one of the smartest upgrades you can make to your home. For the full review and detailed breakdown, check the link in the description and the first comment. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.